We as a culture are completely obsessed with zombies. Seriously, his and her outfits had less time in the sun, but that's for a good reason. It's always fun to imagine how or if you would be able to survive. Stately created their own list where they rank the abilities of each state to fend off the apocalypse. They base it on things like fewest people per square mile, gun owners per capita, number of people who are cremated instead of burned, the percentage of population that is physically active, and interest in the zombie media genre. The top 3 states where it would be easiest to survive are Montana, and then the potato fields of Idaho, and finally the best place to escape the living dead is Alaska. The worst 3 states where you'd be most likely to wind up strolling around aimlessly in search of delicious brain meat are Virginia, and then Rhode Island, and finally the first state to fall would be New York. But hey, at least our branding still holds up even at the end of the world. If you can make it here, then you can make it anywhere. I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.